Gutschein?
It
Let's
is.
look at
Nee, let's sit down first.
Es ist in
Papa is not listening.
Nee. Nee,
11.
40. Wenn
It's still 11.
20.
20, 11 p.m. 20 past 20, and then we are waiting, guys. Normally you have to open the gifts.
Und um 2.
I have to tell you something.
Oh, ich weiß, was das ist.
I have to tell you something.
Um 2.
Was ein
Wait.
2.
They are so loud. They're not listening yet. We have to wait until the Lego is perfect. Where is me there, Francis? This one, huh?
Yeah.
Francis finished my Lego.
No, I not finished yours.
Okay, Ate Ella. Okay, we're gonna take a photo. Okay, Fertish.
It's like a movie.
Next.
It's like a movie. Mama, it's like a movie.
Yeah.
I also need to be here.
Nein.
You must have my show.
So this year we did Lego. Last year we did
Cookies.
bread house. Was it bread house?
Bread house, das war
Ja, wie
Cookies.
geht, ja. It's,
Cookies.
ja,
Gingerbread.
Gingerbread, yeah.
Lebkuchenhaus,
Yeah,
Lebkuchenhaus.
House.
Nein, haben wir nicht. Das war Gingerbread House.
Gingerbread.
Gingerbread.
Oh, icing. Yeah. So this year we built a Lego.
Niemand hat das gegessen.
Yeah, but we are the goal is to build it together.
Bonding.
Yeah. This year Francis was able to build.
But Francine, this is wrong. No, it's not. It's right like that.
Supposed to be Hitchlish.
Oh,
So, fertig.
he
Ready?
did stolen.
Come on, sit down.
Yeah, no.
Yes, sit down, sit down. Yeah. Yeah, we're gonna open something. Now.
The bag.
Yeah, English. They finished with the Lego thing now. 11:25 almost, and I am so sleepy now. I don't know if I can wait still with 12 midnight. Or
We actually doing a movie night and party.
yeah, they have too many requests. So and
and
you know I have a good news because I bought.
Good news is it's all for Mama.
We have a geschenk for 5 of us. For 5 of us.
How many are here? One,
Yeah.
2, 3, 4,
Okay.
5.
And we're gonna open it. No sneaking, yeah. We're gonna open. I didn't tape this, but we're gonna open it all together.
No sneaking, sie gucken.
But
Where did she hide that?
yeah, where? No peeking. No, this is for Francine. No peeking. This is for me.
Francine.
This is for Papa. Close it. Close it.
No picking.
No peeking. This is for Ate Ella.
Ich weiß schon, was das ist.
Where
And
was
this
that?
is for Francis. No peeking. Okay, we're gonna open it all together.
It's so tiny.
Wait, hold it. Hold it, hold it. Just a second.
I first!
Okay. Hey, I want to tell you something. This is so important. Mama wants you to always.
Look the same?
Mama love you so much. I want us to be warm, cozy in Christmas. So now we can open our geschenk for ourselves. 1, 2, 3. Pajama. A glass pajama. Francis and Papa is even so. And now, well, we can wear them while we're waiting. It's cold.
What the heck?
You have the two.
Yeah, Mama bought that for all of us.
All of us. It's not from Santa.
It's for Mama.
Yeah, from Mama. So I have a frage. It's you in Shiden. Do you wanna be in pajama now?
Ja.
Waiting na lang me sa gifts. Gishink na mo. What?
Das gibt's doch nicht. Wir haben heute Morgen geguckt.
What is that?
Our thing, our post.
A post? Oh my god. Read it? Read it.
Who? That's it. Ho.
I got goose pimples.
It says Merry Christmas. Oh, here's the address.
Why are you getting dingens and you're supposed to write Santa, not Santa's writing to you?
Francine Francis. Oh, das ist bei uns.
Show me what. Let me read. From Santa Claus, North Pole, 000 yeah, North Pole. She has a wrong spelling here. Santa Claus has a no, 5 minutes. Family forward. Yeah. Dude.
Maybe the other ones have those out.
Yeah, we need this.
But you're supposed to write Santa, not Santa writing to you.
Yeah, but she wrote her wish list, and I wrote for Francis' wish.
Yeah, for us. Ho. Hier heißt
They
Nummer 1, da bin ich.
Mama. No. Mommy, hier heißt ho. Ho.
yeah, ho ho ho.
Mommy, ho.
Nummer 1 ist...
You might want to get a chair
Yeah.
also. Merry Christmas.
Merry
Pass up there.
Okay, but these ones are people actually.
Merry Christmas. Hey, Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. I don't want any more Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Ella. Ella, we're gonna. Merry Christmas, Ate Ella.
Nein!
Why so? Merry Christmas. Is it Lady Mutter? Meine Gute. Merry Christmas. I'm about to go to you. Merry Christmas, Papa. Merry Christmas, Papa.
Merry Christmas.
Boy, sind so weich.
Stop taking out the So, Merry Christmas.
Pajama ist so weich.
Are you Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. That's my poor Papa. Here. Mommy.
Santa Fe.
You're not
Warum
really
machst du den
opening
Ding
the...
so? Öffnet
This
bestimmt
big
so ein
enough to
Ding.
be here. So, what does it
Komm ich
say?
jetzt ins Fernsehen?
Ich glaube, du willst es nicht öffnen.
I want to know.
Willst du kommen? Komm, Anne, ich zeig mir mal.
There's not by the... So,
Zeig mir mal, wie das aussieht.
yeah.
Du bist im Fernsehen.
Yeah. Sure knows.
What
Their family forward, Francine and Francis. This is Santa Claus.
Achtung,
Oh,
Achtung. Hier spricht Santa Claus.
Oh, I hope you like the presents. I hope you like the presents my elves made. Have a wonderful Christmas. Merry Christmas. Who? See you next year.
I love the presents.
P.S. Kids, family
Also
forward.
noch alle, Francis?
Francis, do you listen? Family forward. I hear that you are going to Urlaub in Filipino. That's what your
Was ist
mama's
das für Deutsch?
That's what's your mama's wish. This vegan, that's why I grant the wish of your mama, and I'm very happy, and I think it's a nice idea and a nice wish from your mama to go in Philippines to see Mommy Rose. He knows Mommy Rose. To know Tita Grace, Tita Ram, and all your tito and titas there.
Did you write that much?
Yeah.
And Mama, I love the presents.
Yeah, come on.
You don't know yet.
Yeah, you don't know yet. Kids, whatever you get on your presents this year, always remember that Santa Claus did an effort here with the elves. And I did my best to give what you want. And I hope you're gonna be a good girl and good boy forever.
Or else?
And
I'm gonna kick out.
no, it doesn't say kick out here. So,
I do this.
just always remember, be good girl and be good boy always. So Santa Claus is always be there forever. And don't forget to pray. And don't forget why we celebrate Christmas.
Even God is the born.
Jesus has geburtstag.
Yeah. Oh man, one
Yeah.
didn't do Philippines.
Yeah, okay. Ho, ho, ho. Merry Christmas. And have fun for your gishing. Your mama will tile in it now. She knows I wrote her an email. The number of the kids. Okay, I have now the number. Dun-dun-dun-dun-dun. Oh my God. Okay, Francine is number 2. Keep your number.
Two.
Francis is number 3. And Ate Ella is number 1. Okay, keep your number.
What age?
I don't know. I have to check the other email there. First the kids. I don't have mine.
Number 2.
We have number 2. You can sit here, Francine. Ate Ella, sit here, Ella.
Next one.
So,
Who's going to open first?
no, not yet.
No, I mean, who's going to open first?
They gonna do schnick, schnack, schnuck.
Yeah, you gotta do schnick, schnack.
Yeah, okay. We have number 3. Is it all shown in video? We have number 3.
Put my other one away.
Oh,
It's number 2. It's number 2. That's me.
I thought he doesn't know.
It's number 2.
I have number 1. Papa, can you come here?
Number 2.
No
Okay.
speaking. Let me see.
I don't know.
Number 3. Who's number 3? Number 3.
I want to have a gift too.
You should be here back in the back pa. So we in the video. Are you sure that?
Yeah.
Yeah? Are you sure?
No, I'm
You're so far away here.
Jesus, Santa is really getting me crazy here. I hope Santa didn't forget the right number here. Because he's probably so tired.
2.
2? You're number 2? You girl. Number 2. Oh my God. Number 1.
You should throw it.
No, it's heavy.
Das ist schwer.
3.
Well, what is the big present? Don't tell me.
Number 2. 2.
I got the tiniest present of my whole life.
3. You're number 3. Come here. Come be here. So
Gdzie to? Oj, to jest doma.
I'm gonna start here with the kleine. Number 1.
Number 1 is this out.
2.
Oh.
This is schneller this time.
Number 3.
3. What the heck? 2.
Here's your other.
2. What the heck?
Jesus,
Number 1.
Ella! I'm living that on your Ella!
3.
Give me my present.
give me my present.
1.
I say present. I don't know what that's.
Number 1.
Well,
Santa's really giving me a hard time here. 1. Ah, okay.
what is the big present?
2. 2.
Of your what?
The
Oh.
That's
biggest.
me.
my
That's
God.
me.
It's on top here.
Where do you know more?
She already checked the boxes.
Actually,
3.
Actually,
3. Oh my God, that's such a lucky. Number 2. Why are you up for a big one, eh?
Thank you for my big present, Santa.
2. You have a big one now.
That's not big. Mine is bigger.
That's not big. I don't
Oh
believe it.
my God.
2.
Oh gosh. A big one now.
Oh my God.
Number 3.
I'm only big boy. I'm only big boy.
Oh my God, I think that's Alice, nah?
That's
3.
mine.
I knew this happened for fun. I knew it.
Who is this here? I think that's Alice, Uda.
Mm-mm.
This here is just Alice. There's no number on this.
Mm.
It's mine.
What of mine?
But maybe the big thing is the white.
Okay.
But I think this is mine.
There's
Let
no
me look at my
preference.
numbers.
Look, Aina.
That is for me. It's for my Schule.
Okay.
It's a jar.
So this
I'm
is
not
for
allowed to.
Papa.
And this?
It says here Papa, number Papa.
What?
Yeah, I got
Mama,
an email.
you have
And
one.
this is for me?
Yeah.
This is for me?
Yeah, for you.
This is for me? Okay. So gonna schnick, schnack, schnuck. Who's gonna open first?
See? Yeah, do like Francis.
Nej, vi alle.
Yeah.
Snake,
Fra-
snap,
vi ook?
Yeah, Francis. Francis out.
snake, snap, snap.
Junge.
Hey, we won.
Nein, eins davon von euch.
Ich muss jetzt mit
Wer
dir.
gewinnt, öffnet.
You? Okay, then next is Francis.
Mama, I'm opening.
Okay.
I want to open my big present.
Yeah.
Don't tell me it's a car. No, it's not my way. What is the first shoe? I don't know much. Which one? Oh!
Our shoes. Wow.
This is the
Just a second.
Bella
What's in?
Is that still gonna...
Elsa! Elsa!
Your shoes.
Why am I getting so many shoes? Don't tell me you that do again. I want this stuff.
What? What did you get? What
I don't know what this is.
A shoes. A working shoes.
What did you say?
A working shoes. What do you have? What is that?
What's that?
No, no, no. It's my wish. Yeah!
What is that?
Na, na.
Genie in a bottle.
What is a slime? Uda?
I think so. Slime.
With a glitter slime.
You got the Antwort. Ich hab Slime bekommen.
You put that in the slime.
Oh my
Oh
God.
my god. So come on next.
Me?
Yeah, you're gonna open all now. This
I don't know.
Francis is so old now. He has some big ones there, so I don't think he doesn't need to. He has get all the big ones.
I knew you would get me all the big ones. Francine will have maybe another two.
Huh?
Francine will maybe have another two.
Another shoe.
Yeah. What the heck?
What?
Eh?
Again!
Oh my god. Come on here. So it's a slime also?
Yeah!
It's a slime.
wow.
Oh my god, you're lucky. You are very lucky. Oh my god.
A soup?
Where's your shrine?
Church! This is the whole night today.
Oh my god. Open the paper bag. Cause I
Let her be.
So because it's gonna be covered.
And now the whole Christmas tree is gonna fall.
If that is covered again, then you know what happened.
We're gonna throw it in the bin.
What's this? It's really light. This
Try to open it
looks
now.
fun. Your look.
Use the paper bag from Santa Claus.
I feel here a bus. I feel slime. Maybe it's here a bus. It's tiny.
It's tiny.
What is this?
Soap?
What is that?
Earrings.
Oh my god, it's an earring.
Another shoe. For real, Santa's giving me more shoes than I thought. Don't tell me his chips are getting sorry. I think I'm doing this shoes. A teddy bear?
Are you sure that's...
This is a teddy.
No, that's number...
Check the.
Nee, that's number 3.
For Francis. No, he made me.
No, it's number 3.
No, he made me. That's the wrong number.
Yeah,
This is chair.
Santa put the wrong number on this.
Here. Why?
Evidence?
I don't know.
Your gun is.
It's number 3 in the box.
Okay. I got something.
Oh, chill. What's that?
What's that? Muna mawala na kuwan. Nakita na mo ga.
I got unicorn things and I
Last
have
year?
life. It looks cute.
Check that later. Oh. I think Santa is so tired. Ito was.
I think so.
What things?
Fun.
Santa Claus really wants to make you big.
Oh. LOL?
Oh yeah.
LOL. Wow.
My dream school shoes. This the last one? No, that's two.
There's still 2 bags left.
3 bags even.
Ah,
And zwei noch.
das ist von meiner Schule.
There's still 1 box in the back for me. And the kleine box out there.
And it's out of here. Don't tell me it's a book. I know it's the LOL book. Jeez!
LOL book?
Look at that. Look what it looks like.
I know already, I saw it.
Is it nice?
Yeah.
I find it nice.
Time to open this.
From Schule.
Yeah. There is a book.
You didn't see it yet?
No, she only gave the glass to jar. And the teacher was doing something on that.
Pass off, it's not that good.
I don't
If it's
know.
glass,
Down.
if it's a glass, then you must aufpassen. Ah, guck mal. For a candle.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Who did that?
Me.
I
Now
thought
the teacher.
Yeah?
Me.
No, the
Oh,
teacher.
another shoes.
No.
Pass auf, langsam.
if there was glass inside.
Oh my
my
god.
God, a crown.
Try this out. Get a crown, Papa.
Oh my god, a crown. And
Oh,
my god.
And
She's
There's
a,
gold inside now?
no.
she's a chic Frau now.
I'm rich.
I'm
But
rich.
he done total dance of that.
Tiny boxes then, huh? Yeah. Oh god.
Multi present.
Mm.
This looks.
You lose that? Lose next time?
Yeah, she's like.
Erste in der Nummer und die letzte im Auspacken.
Ich will immer ein letzte auspacken jede Woche.
Ja, normalerweise, aber heute, this year, since they're grown up, I ask you to.
It's a book.
It's a book?
Yeah.
Read it. I wanna read. I want you to read it. The title. Otherwise,
What's the
I'm gonna
name
tell
of the book?
Santa that you made a. You have a snuggle up there thing, Francis.
Mama, aber es ist auf Schreibschrift, denke ich. Aber Mama, Mommy, I have only one bag.
Yeah, it's okay if it's only one bag.
And I want out one bag.
Langsam with the thing.
Yeah, chill.
Chill. It's last
I
week
have my
already.
big presents. No. I still got one more present.
Yeah?
Yeah, that's it.
Where is that shoe? Is the shoe fits to you actually?
I have no shoe.
Do you see my shoe? You even forgot already.
You mean that it's a bag. Another bag is it.
What is it?
Oh
my god!
What the heck, ey.
Now my turn.
Black on this. No, this is still another one. Oh my god.
Fancy earmuffs.
Her Liebling stuff. This thing. Since the other one.
And she's even wearing it at home, no?
Yeah, Santa is actually really good because he knows that your thing is already old and so dirty already. Now he gets you black because you're Wednesday, I think. Think so?
I look so emo.
Emo.
Guys, when I open my present,
Can you beat the responses? What do you
it's
get?
another LOL.
How do you know?
I feel it is a circle. I knew it. It's after. No, don't say me it. Goodness, people, I hate these people.
You hate that people. You hate that people.
Drama queen, eh?
Now my God.
Okay, now you're gonna go inside.
God.
You're gonna enjoy your stuff.
Cheers.
Cheers. Enjoy your stuff.
And now
Enjoy your stuff. Next year, you're gonna be your
The big boxes. The big boxes.
don't tell me you got the monster truck.
You need to open this here. You need to open this. It's like LOL, I think.
It's so big, he needs to move around to open it.
Yeah.
But he's chill.
I be happy.
It's okay. Come.
Come on, put it down.
Yeah, just step on it. No, I'm on this room. Should I help you? No? What do you get? Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh, that's it. We don't open anymore the other.
Mama,
Ah, needs to do it. Okay.
now I have to open this one. What? Now it's time to Did you open another big one?
Oh my god!
Double decker.
Double decker and it's color blue. It's a color blue. Oh my god.
Oh, disco light inside.
And you can open the door. Oh my god, that is cool. My god, Santa, you're the best.
That's for the train.
No, that is for a car. And this is for the plane.
Oh my god, this is...
This one now. This is chocolate.
Bruh. Bruh.
Another box.
Oh my god, the second big one.
Oh my god, what did you get there?
Von Sarah, what do you get? Scarf? Come on, I help you.
Santa packed me so much and now needs to open it.
Oh my god.
It's a box bomb. I need to put it in the
Yeah? Bukas up.
Where's the sand?
A police? Oh my god, this is perfect for the carnival. Oh my god. Oh, this is cool.
This is all
Sand. Magic.
Don't forget to get also a bottle warmer, a warmer thing there for your tummy. Cook malda. Sandal! Oh, Santa, thank you. Francis has no sandal for going to the Orlao. Thank you, Santa, for granting Mama's wish. Hey,
Oh, that's mine. That's for me. Mama,
what?
it's mine.
No, that's for
It says Frank there somewhere.
me. No. That is my present.
Santa got that in the other way.
That's
Oh, I wish for Santa for...
Where's that again?
Yeah.
He has eyes like a cat on a hunt.
Should I help you? Oh, Santa really pack it really. No?
I don't think you want to know who you're going to get.
Give me the paper.
What did you get? Put seven. A sleeper! Can you fit that? Maybe it fits to you now. You need a house shoe.
40 cents.
Yeah, house shoe.
40 cents.
Yeah, thank you, Santa, for giving Francis. Santa, thank you for giving Francis all this stuff. Because he needs that.
I need that. Crocs, like Papa's shoes.
Yeah, the two of them are Crocs.
Now Francis is gonna walk like a crocodile.
and
Yeah?
then give slime and tomato.
What is that?
It's just Play-Doh.
Play-Doh in the LOL now?
Yeah.
Das ist hier in der Mustang Coffee von LOL. And then,
But that's a
und dann die
sand.
Haare ist Sand. There's something
Book!
Oh.
I know. I know.
Book. Wow. Thank you,
Do
Santa.
it. It's a book.
What does it say? Die große, die große Weihnachtsbaumsuche.
Ja, Französisch.
Another box. Open it. I think Santa needs part of boxes, no?
It's a clothes. That's clothes.
What's that?
That's
Wow! Thank you, Santa.
Why?
This one
It's so many bags.
One more.
Yeah, he needs that in all of in Philippines, a bigger rucksack. Diba? Thank you, Santa. Santa, thank you.
The mission is accomplished. He was to open it.
Oh no,
Oh, wow. Open it, did you not even see it here?
big airplane.
Yeah.
And you got a helicopter there too. It's
Where's helicopter?
there.
Here. Here.
Yeah, I know. I thought you were inside.
No.
And what is this, Santa? Santa?
Hey, I have the same box just for the thing.
Yeah.
You got up and here's the feet.
Uh-huh.
My God.
Suit.
What swimsuits? Look at this first.
Handschuhe.
Thank you, Santa. He can use this in Philippines. Hey, come on. Blue shoes. Thank you, Santa. Can use it in Philippines.
Foot come here.
Why there?
Because all the clothes come here.
Ah,
It's good.
okay.
Ja, ist Ordnung.
That's the last one? Yeah, because the stitch of Santa made a mistake on the number.
Ich wundere mich. Santa gedacht hat.
Yeah. Not doing so here.
Mach ihn fertig.
Oh my
Is
God!
that another Krawatte?
A jacket! Santa, thank you, Francis. You really need this.
Nice.
Come.
That looks nice. Mama is more happy about the jacket than Francis.
Santa, thank you. Hey, what are we gonna say to Santa? Look in the camera.
Ella, be so happy, Papa. Be so happy with this.
Francis, you got a warmer there.
There's even glitter bombs inside.
That's yours, Francis.
And what you going to do with it? No, you're supposed to put that in a bath. It's a bath bomb.
No.
Sandknete. Oh, der Mülleimer freut sich. The bin will be happy to see it.
Tata Ella's turn.
How can I make this open and play with it?
Santa didn't make that so eng.
Mommy, open this.
Yeah, Papa will help you guys, yeah? Play first the one that is open. So, what does Ate Ella have? What does Ate Ella? Korumisak. Zochen. Thank you, Santa.
Next one.
Ich frag aber keiner.
Was
Die
ist das?
erste.
Perfume. Ich habe keine.
Yeah, you have no
Mach das
perfume.
später oder oben auf, damit das nicht alles durch die Gegend fliegt.
Humot na.
Weißt du was?
Ganz viele kleine Teile da drin. Für den Flughafen.
Kawi, hindi magkawi dito mira eh. Pansin box, Max, too.
I'm trying to put this in.
Why?
Because I need to open it there.
Needs like to be like
I
that.
need to put it up.
What do you have? Oh my God! What Santa did? Another gishink to the gishink. Oh God, Santa! You gotta be kidding me! What is this here? This is ouch!
You're not supposed to sit there, Hannah.
Ouch! This is I got it. What the heck? Another. It's not smart. Another.
I think there's nothing inside.
Another.
Ow! This was my nose. This
What's
is
out?
weird.
Yeah.
Ich habe nur noch eine.
What the?
Bomber.
What the heck? What the heck do you have there? What the heck? Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. That's why she gets only $7. Oh my God. Open it first. Open it first. I want to see. Yeah, there is something there. Probably.
Noch eine Ding oder was?
That's not an AirPod. She got an Apple AirPod, the new one.
This would be your gift if there was something in it.
Oh my God, Francine. Look at it. Look, I want to see. Oh my God. She's shaking. She's so happy. She's so happy she got finally a
Hurry up, the battery is empty here.
Das ist auch wieder lecker.
Hast du das gesehen?
Oh, das ist sogar mein Name.
Oh my God.
Das steht Mustella.
Show me.
Oh my God.
Wow.
Ja, ist ein bisschen blind, ne?
Okay. We have to focus.
Yeah, because Santa did it like this.
Francine is busy with her thing there. See you tomorrow now and that.
She doesn't probably like now opening the other one. She cannot concentrate anymore with her AirPods.
The battery is empty on this here.
Yeah?
You need to have your phone.
Yeah, it's getting empty. It's okay. It's almost done. Thank you, Santa. Pajama holder.
But you what?
Look what Santa she gets from Santa. Pajama holder. Oh my God, that is so feeling to collect.
Dania, you have.
Yeah, but I'll be for this one. For a farmer to pick up blocks. This is
Hand creamer. She gets a hand creamer. When you clean up, you need to bit by bit really. A jean. She gets a jean. Nice. Oh, malahawak.
Ja.
This is gross. Nice.
That will fit you.
That will fit. It's always just part in it. You need to sleep probably in the mitag instead of being handy. So you grow. How about that? But you got your Stitch. You wanted Stitch, Uda?
No, I wanted out the same area. It's a guy anyway.
Yeah. that it's also nice to have different. Because if you have the same, what is that then?
Francis don't see it.
Yeah, but Francis
And
gonna
then
put
she's gonna end up with 3 of them in her bed, all hers.
Hi.
Dankeschön.
Thank you, Santa. My wish. I get. What's my wish again?
Paar auf die Fresse.
It's only me who don't get my wish, Santa. Why, Santa? She doesn't need now to do the headset like this. Oh, she's doing it like this. Where is that Francis? In that case, your old Francis can have that, udah?
I'll get those two.
Laila? The old one Francis can have it. Udah?
Yeah.
Yeah? You don't need that.
What old thing can
Her headset.
Yeah!
You should have that because you.
Good bubble tea.
Das Geschirr, warte, Moment. Warte, du musst das halt auseinandernehmen.